Hi guys, so today I'm going to be sharing some old footage with you. It was shortly after we bought our RV. When we got the RV, the black tank was full. And for any of you that don't know, a black tank is poop and pee tank. So when we bought the RV, shortly after getting it, we had to take it to the dump station and dump it. The problem with that is that it had something that was known as a poo pyramid. First things first, we're gonna go dump the black tank, and then we're gonna take this nozzle and it fits down into the black tank. You connect a hose to it and it sprays the inside of the tank out and flushes it and cleans it out. So we decided to do that. So part of the reason that we decided to get a composting toilet. So sit back, enjoy realities of RV life. Alright, we're going to go dump the black and gray tank for the first time. So, should be fun. It's fun to kind of actually drive around in the RV. Okay, $10 and we got directions, and this is Pismo Beach, or Grover Beach. It's just a beautiful, huge beach. You can drive on it. Right now they're recommending four-wheel drive because the creek is overflowing from all the rain we've had. But it's just a really awesome beach. Yeah, sanitary dump station, there it is. Oh look, right? No?
I think I'm gonna get the hose already.
So this white hose that we got with the RV is a bad hose. We're gonna buy a new freshwater hose, so don't freak out that we're using our freshwater hose right now for sewage. Because we are gonna throw it away after this. Because when we used this hose at home to fill up our gray tank before we flushed, a bunch of algae came out, so this is not a good freshwater hose. It needs to be replaced. And when we bought the RV, the black tank was supposedly empty, but it wasn't, so that's why we're having to dump so soon. We haven't even used it, but we're having to dump, which is just lovely. Okay, hopefully it's not too full. Watch your feet. So we've got the clear part on to make sure it's actually emptying out.
Okay, you ready?
Oh. So nasty.
Okay, now go ahead and turn this hose on. Oh yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna we've got this old bad freshwater hose that we're gonna use to flush out the tank with. We've got a tool to spray the inside of the tank with to clean it out. Tell me when you're ready. Okay, I'm turning it on. Working. It smells really bad. Babe.
What?
It's definitely working.
Okay. You're still in brown water?
Yeah, chunks of poo too, so yeah. Just keep going. So now it's looking better. It's definitely working. Okay, we dumped the gray water. That was uneventful. So not as bad as we thought it would be. Pretty smooth, but the black tank was pretty nasty, so I'm really glad we did that. How was that experience for you?
Not bad, you know. From being an old plumber, it was not too bad. But I'll be glad not to have to do it with a composting toilet.
Yes, composting toilet. So, we just had lunch and put water in the fresh tank with the new hose we bought at Walmart. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go sanitize the entire inside of the RV, because when Dave was cleaning out the inside of the black tank, obviously we had poopy water spraying up and it got on the floor, and then he walked around in and out of the RV. So I'm going to thoroughly sanitize the floor in there, clean the toilet, and just make sure it's all sanitary and clean. And then we'll be good to go again. So overall, good day, good experience, not too bad, but we're definitely doing a composting toilet. See you later. Oh, I see. Leveling jack's not all the way up. We're not even out of our driveway yet.
In the center, in the panel, there's a on button on the far right side. Push that up, and then in the center is the front button, the one for this.
So past that signal is where the dump station is, and the road's blocked off. So we're gonna have to go. We're figuring out how to get around this. So lesson number 1. Make sure the drawers are shut. I secured the chairs, but I didn't secure the drawers, or I didn't make sure the drawers were. Yeah, chunks of poo too, so yeah. Just keep going. The whole RV smells like crap.
Can you feed me some more hose?
Yeah. Lovely.